Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Rhino in Warframe on PC. Rhino is a beginner-friendly Warframe known for his high survivability and strong crowd control abilities. To start farming Rhino, first go to the market and search for Rhino. As you can see, you can purchase the Rhino main blueprint for 35,000 credits or 375 platinum. After that, go back to your navigation and head to Venus. From there, select the Fossa node, which is an assassination mission against the boss, Jackal. Once inside the mission, follow the waypoint and fight the Jackal. Defeat him by completing all of his assassination phases. After defeating the Jackal, extract from the mission. Repeat this mission until you obtain all 3 Rhino component blueprints, chassis, Neuroptics, and systems. Once you have all the components and the main blueprint, head back to your Foundry and craft the Rhino parts first. Then combine them with the main blueprint to craft Rhino. That's it. You've learned how to get Rhino by farming the Jackal on the Fossa mission on Venus and purchasing Rhino's main blueprint from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.